Hello cuties, welcome to our English class. I hope you all fine and safe in your house. Good morning my dear children. Today I am going to explain grammar part, main verb and helping verb. Main verb and helping verb children. See, what is main verb? What is meant by main verb? See, verb. What is meant by verb first of all? Verb. A verb expresses action. Verb means a verb expresses action. And what is meant by main verb? Main verb means main verb can stand alone or they can be used with a helping verb. Main verb always can stand alone. Alone means that is always stand individual. Okay, alone. See, main verb can stand alone or they can be used with the helping verb. It can stand alone and it can be used with the helping verb. Okay, it can used with the helping verb. See, main verb always used to be a helping verb. Used with a helping verb. Okay, what is main verb? Main verb is a verb. It stands with the alone and it can be used with the helping verb. Verb means it is a action word. Okay, verb means it is a action word, and that is main verb means main verb can stand alone or they can be used with the helping verb. Then next one, helping verb. Helping verb, what are they, mom? A helping verb adds to or completes the meaning of a sentences. See, a helping verb add to or completes the meaning of a sentences. It adds to complete the sentence. Okay, it adds to complete the meaning of a sentence. Okay, that is a helping verb. What are they helping verb, mom? Helping verb is to be, is, are, am, was, were, to do, does, did, has, have, can, will, should. These are the helping verb. Helping verb, what are they, ma? One more time repeat. Helping verb, what are they? The other helping verbs are to be, is, are, am, was, were, to do, how to use does, main verb and helping has, verb. Have, can, we already will, studied should. Main verb is the work done by the subject in a sentence. A verb phrase consists of one main verb and one or more helping verbs. See, one verb phrase consists one main verb and one or more helping verb. That's why we studied that main verb and what is main verb and what is helping verb. I wrote some exercises, children. See, complete these sentences with the correct form of the words in the brackets. I wrote 2 exercises. You have to see the bracket and how do you use that main verb and helping verb. Okay, children. First one, my father does dinner on Sundays. He does paneer tonight. Now you can see the bracket. Verb cook given. See, children, in this question answer, verb cook given. So we have to add verb plus yes. Why do we add verb plus yes, children? Cooks. Why do we add? See, he, she, it. These are the third person singular noun. So third person singular noun comes means we have to add verb plus yes. Okay, children. So cooks. I already told he, she, it. That is a third person singular noun. So we have to add verb plus yes. Okay, children, he, she, it. So we have to add verb plus yes. So verb cook given. So we have to add yes. Cooks. My father cooks dinner on Sundays. Main verb and helping verb comes, you have to see the bracket and see the question. My father. In this question answer, my father indicate he. My father indicate the verb he. So he, she, it means we have to add verb plus yes. So we have to write a verb and we have to add yes. So cooks. Okay, my father indicates he. So we have to add verb plus yes. Understood, children? Next line, he does paneer tonight. In this question, he is a singular noun. So we have to write helping verb is. Singular noun comes, we have to write helping verb is. And verb plus ing form. Verb cook given. So we have to write verb cook plus ing cooking. He is cooking paneer tonight. Understood, children? Next one, Manisha and Geeta does hide and seek every day. They dance in the garden now. See, children, in this question, verb play given. See the bracket, verb play given. In this question, Manisha and Geeta, it is a plural form. So it mentioned they. We already studied he, she, it comes. We have to write verb plus yes. Is it, children? First one, we have to write verb plus yes, cooks. In this question, Manisha and Geeta mentioned they. So we have to write play only. We have to take a verb play and write this. Okay. Next, you and they, second person plural noun. In this question, they is a plural noun, so we have to write helping verb are and verb plus ing form. So they are verb plus ing form, play plus ing, playing in the garden now. They are playing in the garden now. Understood, ma? Main verb and helping verb, you have to see the subject. If singular noun comes, verb plus yes, and plural noun comes, you have to see the bracket and take a verb to write. Understood, children? Now I wrote third exercise. In this question, you have to see the bracket, verb right given. Am I right? Yes. So read the question. I does a letter to my grandmother every month. I does a letter to her now. In this question, you have to see the subject. Subject I. I is a singular noun. So singular noun comes, we have to add right. No need to add yes and no need to change the verb. Verb given right, is it? So you have to add right only. So I write a letter to my grandmother every month. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. No need to change that. Okay, children? Next line, I does a letter to her now. See, children, next line, I does a letter to her now. In this line, I is a singular noun. So which helping verb we have to write? Yes, I am. I am plus verb plus ing form. I am writing. Write verb given, so write plus ing form. I am writing a letter to her now. Am is the helping verb, we already studied. Helping verb, what are they? Am, is, are, was, were. These are the helping verb. So see the subject I. I after which helping verb come? Am. I am writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. Verb plus ing form. So I am writing a letter her now. Understood? See, I write a letter to my grandmother every month. I am writing a letter to her now. See the bracket, verb right given. So I is a singular noun, so we have to add right and we have to write a am helping verb and verb plus ing form. I am writing a letter to her now. Understood? Next fourth one, I wrote fourth question answer. See, she does to the market in the evening. She does with her mother now. See, in this question, verb walk given. What I told mom, you have to see the bracket. Verb walk given. First of all, in this question, you have to see the subject. Subject she given. He, she, it. It is a third person singular noun. You and they, it is a second person plural noun. See the subject in this question, she given. So he, she, it comes, you have to write verb plus yes. So she walks to the market in the evening. Walk verb plus yes, add yes. So she walks, walk, yes. You have to add yes only. Okay, verb plus yes only. Understood? Next, she does with her mother now. In this line, she is a singular noun. So we have to add helping verb is. Okay, we have to write helping verb is. Singular noun comes, we have to write helping verb is, is, and verb plus ing form, walking. Helping verb is and verb plus ing form. So she is walking with her mother now. I hope you all understood this main verb and helping verb. When you are going to write, before that you have to see the bracket, which verb given, and also concentrate the subject. That is helps to you. That's why you can know the answers easily. Understood? One more time I repeat this. He, she, it comes, we have to write verb plus yes. So we have to write verb walk given, so add yes only, walks. And she is a singular noun, so we have to write is helping verb. So and verb plus ing. She is walking with her mother now. One more time I repeat, children, what I taught. See, main verb is the work done by the subject in a sentences. Main verb, what is that? Work done by the subject in a sentences. And helping verb, what are they? Am, is, or, was, were. It is very easy, children. He, she, it comes, we have to write verb plus yes. And you, they comes, you have to write, take a particular verb and write. Understood, children? You don't confuse that, okay? You don't need to confuse about this main verb and helping verb. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.